Right now, someone is scrolling through their phone, surrounded by thousands of people online, but they feel completely alone. Loneliness is no longer just a feeling. It's becoming a global epidemic. And in 2026, it's worse than ever before. But here's the disturbing part. We've never been more connected in human history. So why are we feeling more alone? We live in a world where you can message anyone instantly, video call across continents, share your life with thousands of followers. Yet, meaningful conversations are disappearing. We've replaced deep connections with quick reactions, real moments with curated highlights, and slowly, without realizing it, we traded connection for convenience. Social media was supposed to bring us closer. Instead, it created comparison. You see someone traveling, someone getting richer, someone living a perfect life, and your brain starts asking, why not me? This constant comparison doesn't connect us. It isolates us, because no one posts their loneliness. No one shares their silent struggles. So everyone looks happy, while feeling empty. Look around. People don't talk like they used to. Conversations are shorter. Attention spans are weaker. We sit together, but live in different worlds. Even friendships have changed. They're maintained through streaks, not real conversations. And slowly, we forgot how to truly connect. Modern life plays a big role too. We work more. We move cities more often. We prioritize success over relationships. We chase money, status, independence. But no one tells you. Success without connection feels empty. You can have everything and still feel like you have no one. Loneliness isn't just being alone. It's feeling unseen, unheard, disconnected. And over time, it affects your mental health, your confidence, even your physical health. It's silent, but powerful. And the scariest part? You can be surrounded by people and still feel completely alone. But here's the truth. Loneliness is not permanent. It can be reversed. 1. Start with real conversations. Put the phone down. Talk. Listen. Be present. 2. Build depth, not numbers. You don't need 100 friends. You need 2 to 3 real ones. 3. Limit social media consumption. Stop comparing your life to edited realities. 4. Step into real-world experiences. Join communities, events, gyms, clubs. Put yourself in places where connection happens naturally. 5. Be vulnerable. Real connection starts when you stop pretending everything is fine. Because the truth is, most people feel the same way you do. They're just hiding it. We built a world where we can reach anyone, but forgot how to reach each other. Loneliness in 2026 isn't about being alone. It's about losing what makes us human. Real connection. So tonight, instead of scrolling, call someone. Instead of watching, talk to someone. Because in a world full of noise, real connection is becoming the rarest thing of all. And here's a question for you. When was the last time you had a real conversation? Without distractions? Comment below. Because your answer might say more than you think.